Hey, welcome back to another tutorial. I am Sean the artist, and today we will be going over the record feature in Rebel 5 Pro, and let's get started. Okay, so to access this feature we go to Windows and go to record time lapse, or use the shortcut key Control Shift T, and there will be a pop-up menu here with these two icons. One says start recording and the other is record settings. Alright, so let's click on record settings. When you click on record settings, you'll see another dialog box pop up, and this dialog box has all the options that you will need when recording your time-lapse video. So we have capture interval, which is the time that it will take to capture your video. For example, the lower the number, the slower it is, almost to real time, and the higher the number, the faster it is. I'll leave it at 1. And you have your destination where the video will go. Your frame rate, which is really great because 30 frames per second is smooth, and you can go up to as much frames as you want. So let's stay at 60. That will give you a really smooth frame rate, and you can even bump up the quality. You also have codec, which is you can use the H.264, which is standard, or you can use the H.265, which is a more modern, but not all systems or computers can use this feature. So let's just keep it at default for now. And here you have your resolution, which you can go from 240p to 2160 pixels. This is 4K, 2K, 1K, 720, and it goes on. So this is really cool because even when you're recording time-lapse and modern times resolutions are going up, you have 4K, 8K, so having it in 4K is really promising. It's really good. And so let me just put it back at 2K, which is 1440p. And next we are going to close the dialog box there and start recording. You can put this over here just to get some space. And let's just do a quick flower. Let's say I set my pencil. Or maybe a rose. Yeah, I'm just going off my imagination right now. Alright, so I'm using 8B pencil, which is really good. I love this pencil because it really works with the texture of the paper. And let me just add a stem. Maybe add some thorns to it, and maybe add like a leaf. This is a full illustration. Alright, maybe I just add some details here. Alright, so I feel like I may just add some color to it. So I'm just gonna create a new layer here and place it underneath. This time I'll use this is one of my favorite brushes as well. It's the acrylic and oil and acrylic brush. And let me just apply, since we go with red, I'll just use the yellow and add paint. This is really satisfying, just seeing texture and paint working in a program, in a digital program. I always wanted a digital drawing program that can emulate real life paint, and with Rebel 5 it does all of that and even more. Alright, just add green and just finish that off right there. Don't have to be neat right now because we're really demonstrating the time lapse, the record time lapse feature. All right, so now we have our rules. We can stop recording up here, and let me show you the video. It will be located in the area that you listed. All right, so there it is, but it's super fast. All right, so this painting was done in about 2 minutes, 2 to 3 minutes, and you can see 5 seconds or less that it recorded it for. So have fun with record time-lapse feature, one of my favorite Rebel 5 Pro feature by Escapemotion. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.